Hey everyone, today I want to show you Xata's cloud skill using which you can teach Claude Code to use Xata branches while fixing the bug. Having access to realistic data is very useful for both developers and AI agents alike, as it makes writing and validating a fix easy by having the option to run it against real data. Let's see it in action. The app that I want to show you calculates total revenue based on start date and end date. However, we received a bug report from our sales team that after the last audit, they found that the revenue was a bit lower. Let's see if we can teach Cloud Code to use database branching and figure out this bug on its own. One of the first things that I would do is install Xata's cloud skill in this repository. And to do that, I can do Xata AI download cloud skill. And it downloads the relevant skill files in the local cloud directory. Let's see what's in there. So you can see that it has two files. One is the license and the other one is skill.md. And that's like a 20-line file where we tell it to essentially follow a developer workflow. So what would a developer do in this situation? They would first create an isolated branch, and then they would try to triage the issue and reproduce it locally. And once that's done, they would make a hypothesis on how to fix it and then raise a PR for the fix. Let's see if the AI agent can follow it. So you can see that in the skill, I just tell it to use GitHub CLI to read the issues. And then I tell it briefly how to use Xata CLI to follow some conventions that you can use the current Git branch as a convention to create a Postgres branch by the same name. How you can check it out and other things. And then I tell it also to use psql to actually run commands against this new branch. Okay, let's fire up Cloud and give it the following instruction. That fix this particular issue, use Xata. That's all we need to do. Let's see how it approaches this problem. So it starts reading the issue, and you can also see that it has identified that it needs to use this skill that we just set up in this repository. So yeah, it's following the instructions. It created a branch by the current Git branch, which was fixed revenue query, and now it's waiting for that branch to be ready. And now the branch is ready. So it can see its URL and also explore running commands against it or running SQL queries against it. Here you can see that it was able to run the commands against real data and actually find the bug, which is a classic off by one error. So we were missing a less than equal to sign. Yes, and it's able to make the right edit to fix the issue. And this shows you how powerful having realistic data is. For both humans and AI agents, it makes it possible to validate a hypothesis and then test it against like realistic data. So there's no guesswork, and that makes the quality of the output much, much better. And this is very powerful. That's all I wanted to show you today. I hope to see you on our platform soon, and I hope you enjoy this video.